Good morning, Zamboanga. For today's video, I'm gonna show you my travel from Zamboanga to Manila. And this is also my last day staying here in Zamboanga. Before I'm leaving, I am going to show you my experience from Zamboanga to Manila. And I hope you like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my videos. Thank you so much. After 2 hours of waiting, it's time to depart and tumatawag na yung mga flight steward na pwede nang pumasok at umupo sa eroplano. So, pumunta na nga tayo at ito yung nangyari. Video-video tayo ng background natin, tingin sa kaliwa, tingin sa kanan, tapos view ng airplane. Meron tayong nakita mga passenger from Cebu Pacific, palabas pa lang sila, then tayo papasok, sasakay tayo ng ating eroplano. So dito na nga guys, nagsimula ang ating journey from Zamboanga to Switzerland. Before that, may connecting flight tayo. Bababa tayo ng Manila, darating tayo ng Manila at 8 a.m. Tapos sasakay na naman tayo ng eroplano at 6 p.m. going to Doha. And after that, Doha to Geneva. Geneva, last destination na pala natin ang Geneva, Switzerland. So yun na nga guys, dito pa lang sa Zamboanga, pinakita ko na sa inyo ang ating experience. Ayun na nga guys, so papasok na tayo sa ating eroplano at ang seat natin ay sa window side. Yan, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung outside view ng ating airport dito sa Zamboanga International Airport. Yung Zamboanga International Airport guys, maliit lang siya pero nice and clean din sa labas. Yun nga guys, namimiss ko ang Zamboanga kasi after few years na naman ako makakauwi. So tara na guys, lipad na tayo and enjoy and please like and share my video. So guys, andito na tayo sa loob ng airplane. So ready to take off na. So nahanap natin ang ating seat. So ready to fly na tayo. So goodbye Zamboanga and see you soon Philippines. So ayun na nga, while nakaupo tayo, hindi natin marinig ang boses kasi maingay sa loob. So ito, voice over na lang.
First takeoff.
Ladies and gentlemen, in final preparation for takeoff, please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Get to your stations, please. is switched off. For safety and comfort, please keep your seatbelts fastened whenever seated, as we may experience clear air turbulence during the flight. Use the lavatories only in your section. Tampering the lavatory smoke detector is against the law. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including vaping, is not allowed. Please be mindful of your belongings throughout the flight and keep.
So, ayun na nga, while we are inside the airplane, it's time to eat our snack. Meron tayong biscuit, maliit na biscuit, and then coffee or tea. Tea ang kinuha natin. So, ayun, while nasa Himpapawid tayo, heto yung experience. Nag-CR ako, tapos bumalik ako sa upuan ko ulit. Super nice. So far, maganda yung flight. Very calm weather. Very nice weather. At saka yung temperature is tama lang. So ayun, nag-enjoy ako sa flight ko from Zamboanga to Manila. And malapit na tayo landing. Yan po, makikita na natin ang outside view. Ibig sabihin yan, parating na tayo ng Manila. Ito yung Manila territory. Nasa Manila na tayo. So, ilang minutes na lang, lalanding na tayo. So, ayun nga. While nasa taas tayo ng eroplano, nasa window side tayo, maganda yung view outside. And then, heto yung nakita natin. Tapos yung mga passenger, sa unahan natin, yan. Tapos ewan ko ano yung sinabi ng flight steward. May mga information ng sinasabi, blah blah blah, yung mga taong may connecting flight, blah blah blah. Tapos, very very accommodating yung mga flight steward. So, thank you, pal. Philippine Airlines, and thank you so much sa mga flight steward na mababait and then very entertaining. So, ayun na nga, parating na tayo ng Manila. So, malapit na yung landing natin. So, nag-announce na ang flight steward na i-lock yung seatbelt, then open ang window. Every time na palalanding na yung aeroplano, kailangan talaga, required talaga ng mga flight steward na i-request sa mga passenger na i-open ang window. Ewan ko bakit, anong reason. Kasi wala namang mawawala kung i-close. Pero much better i-open daw, sabi pa nila, according sa flight steward. So, ayun, inopen natin ang window kasi palapit na tayo mag-landing. Hayan, tignan ninyo guys ang view ng Manila at yung weather. Yan, malayo pa tayo. So, pag malapit na tayo, makikita ninyo yung mga buildings, yung mga houses. Then, ma-appreciate ninyo kung gaano kaganda yung view mula sa sky. Tapos makikita ninyo ang City of Manila. At makikita ninyo ang daming building, ang daming mga bahay. Pag sa taas, para siyang laruan na parang mga dinisenyong laruan, yung mga buildings. Kasi yung ganda tingnan.
and gentlemen, in final preparation for landing, please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Bilang maganda sa ating paglabas, siguraduhin lamang po nakabit na mahusay sa inyong pangkaligtasan. Cabin crew passengers, remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. Philippine Airlines welcomes you here in Manila. Time check for your convenience. It's exactly 19 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning. And today is June 18, 2026, on a Thursday.
As soon as we receive clearance, those with connecting flights will be given priority. If you need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of the captain and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay! Kalalapag po lamang natin. Mangyaring manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang inyong seatbelts hanggang ang seatbelt dulot, ating sisimulan ang pagbaba mula sa eroplano. Bibigyang prioridad ang mga pasaherong may connecting flights. Kung kayo ay nangangailangan ng tulong, lumapit lamang sa inyong mga cabin crew at ground staff. Muli, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa Philippine Airlines.
On behalf of Captain De La Cruz with First Officer Shandumal and the rest of the crew, we thank you for choosing Philippine Airlines.
So welcome to Manila Airport. Nandito na tayo sa Manila. So kukunin na natin ang ating baggage. Doon tayo mag-uwi. Tapos connected flight na tayo. Ito from Zamboanga. Ayan ang babae natin. Wala pa yung bag ko. Galing tayo ng Zamboanga. Ayan.